toes hanging off the edge, like we got nothing to lose. Ain't always heaven, baby, this living on the edge. You holding me, holding you, it's a hell of a view. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this awesome Eric Church song that is called Hell of a View. Okay, super easy to play. You're going to have a capo on the first fret and it's in standard tuning. You're only going to use a handful of chords, and for the intro and the verses, you only use 2 chords, and the strumming pattern is super easy. So let me know if you have any other requests you want to learn in the comments, and if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. Also, if you just want to say, hey Blaze, I think you're awesome, let me know that in the comments too. Okay, so this song is super easy, but before I teach it to you, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials, and so that other people will see the videos more, okay? Because that's what YouTube does. The more likes and comments and stuff it gets, the more that YouTube serves it up to people, okay? So, the way you're going to start this song, you're going to do E, okay? And you're going to do A. And that's all you need for the verses, okay? Now, so what you're going to do is, you can just do straight downs like this the whole time, okay, for the verses. All right. So the way that would go, you're going to start with E before the, so if the intro you're just going to do, and I think it's better if you palm mute it. You don't have to, but palm muting is you put that part of your hand as close as you can right here, okay, just for you like ultra beginners out there. So you can just do it open if palm muting is hard, but it sounds better, I think, if you palm mute it. Plus palm muting just sounds cool, right? Okay. All right, so what you're gonna do is E, down, 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 okay? Or you can just do downs. So just for simplicity's sake, I'm just gonna show you how to do it with straight downs. Okay, so you just do that a little bit, and then you're gonna go, I was no daddy's dream, was not your mama's prayer. So you're gonna play that, you're gonna play E for like the first 5 lines of the song, okay? And then you're gonna switch to A. So you go, was not your mama's prayer, but I was your first and your, let's take it out of there. Okay, after there, you're gonna do A. There, I caught your wings on fire. Okay, so then you're gonna do A, I caught your wings on fire when I smoked my Bronco tires, out. Okay, then you do out, it's gonna be E, out of that town. Okay, then you're just going to repeat that, and you're going to do the same thing for the next, like the continuation of the verse, all right? So you would just do, I'm good at rolling dice, no good at standing still. You like the thought of chasing life instead of dollar bills. Okay, so after bills, you're going to do A. We were living reckless. Okay, so you're going to do we were living reckless, nothing to catch us, baby, but. Then you go to but, you're going to do E again. But the ground. Okay, so then after you do ground and you're doing on E, ground, okay, then you're gonna go straight into the chorus and you're gonna do, okay, so you're gonna do C sharp minor, and the way that is, if you should put this finger down too, if you have a hard time and you have a hard time barring it, just play it like a power chord, okay? So, even though there's a capo on the first fret, you're just gonna do, do it on the 5th and 7th frets for these, and then put your middle finger on the, and this is not in relation to the capo, I'm just like, you can see where the dots are that I'm doing it, okay? So I'm just trying to make this as simple as I can for you guys. So you're gonna do C sharp minor, which is a power chord, so you're gonna start on the A string, and then you're gonna, with barring it, and then you're gonna put your ring finger on the 7th fret on the D string, and put your pinky on the G string on the 7th fret, and then you're gonna put your middle finger, all right? You hear that? Your middle finger is going to go on the 6th fret on the B string. Okay? Now if that's hard, if barring it's hard for you, and so is this, just don't do that, and then it'll sound like that if you can't bar it. Okay? Just don't play the bottom ones if you can't bar it. Okay? So you're going to do C sharp minor, and then you're going to do B. Now, an easy transition for that, which no one that's not like super good at guitar will notice if it's hard for you, is that you can actually just slide. So you would lift up this finger and you would just slide down 2 frets. All right, so then you would be on the on the 3rd and 5th frets, or the 2nd and 4th in relation to the capo. Okay. Now you can just slide it down. You're supposed to be like that, but if you're new and it's hard for you to do that, just slide down like that. All right, people aren't gonna notice that. All right, so then you'll do B, and then you'll do A, okay? And then you're gonna do E. Okay, so that's most of the chorus. Now I'm gonna show you how that goes. So you're just gonna do the similar strumming pattern. You're gonna do C sharp minor on this. This ain't for okay? All right, so you do for everybody, okay, is B. Everybody. And then before you do toes, you do A. Before you say toes, you play A. Toes hanging off. Off is E. Off the edge. And then you start over. So you're going to do C sharp minor, B, A, E. And then you do that a second time. Okay? You're going to do, like we got nothing to lose. Okay, lose is A. So you do like a C sharp minor. Like we got nothing. Nothing is B. Nothing to lose. Lose is A. Lose. Then you start over again. So you do it a third time. All right. Ain't is C sharp minor. Ain't always heaven. Heaven is B. Heaven, baby. And then after baby, you do A. This living on is E. On the edge. Okay. Now here's where it's going to get different. All right. Because when you did that C sharp minor, B, A, E 3 times, and after the third time, you're going to do F sharp minor, okay, which is you're going to bar on the 3rd fret or 2nd in relation to the capo, okay, on the E string down, the big E string down, okay, and then you're going to do like a power chord from there. You're going to put your ring finger, okay, on the 5th fret, excuse me, in relation, sorry, 5th fret on the A string, and you're going to put your pinky finger on the 5th fret on the D string, okay? And then you should be barring this, but if you can't, that's okay. So you're gonna do, that's gonna be F sharp minor, okay? All right, on you. You should, let's see. You holding me, and then you're gonna slide it up 2 frets, okay, just like that. And that's gonna be, so you're gonna be on 5th and 7th frets, all right? And that's where you play G sharp minor. You do that on me. So you do F sharp minor on you. You holding me. Me is G sharp minor. Me holding you. U is where you're gonna do A. You. It's a hell of a view. Okay, and then after view, you're gonna do E. View. Okay, and then you do that, and then you're gonna go into the next verse. Now the only other thing that you need to know is the instrumental part. Okay, so for that, he's just doing E, B. Okay, notice I'm just playing the power chord version, but you can do either one. You should be doing it this way, but whatever is easier for you, okay? So you're gonna do E, B, A. So you just do E, B, A, and then you're gonna hang on A a little bit longer, and then you start over. You just do E, B, A. So you do E, B, A twice. All right, so that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun teaching it to you, and see me next time.